Hi, to use Google Assistant on Google Pixel Watch 3, first thing you need to do is to press and hold this side button on top, like that. And you will see this option to set up, press and hold for Assistant. So let's tap to turn on. And now Google Assistant is on. Also, we can press this crown to open list of apps. Here, scroll a bit down and find settings. And after that, in settings, we need to find this Google tab and go in Assistant. Here, make sure to enable Hey Google by tapping on the switcher if you want to talk to Assistant and trigger it with the help of this way. And also enable press and hold this top button, but we did it already. Here you can also enable speech output, find about, assistant information and turn it off. Now let's test it. I'm just gonna say, hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow part 3, it'll be cloudy.
As you can see, it's working and we can trigger it with the help of pressing side button as well. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.